Today's video is sponsored by the Bigfoot. Bring a Fusion cross dissolve between your clips, select the transition and open it in the Fusion page. Double-click to the transition node to open it, select the dissolve, go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to easing, and set the in and out to expo. Close the transition node, and add a brightness and contrast node after. Right-click to the high value, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to easing, set the in and out to sine, and check the mirror and the invert box. Increase the offset slider to 0.1, and you've made the base of your transition. If you have a terrible taste, you can keep it as it is and call it a day. If you are not that tired, you can add a merge node after, bring a fast noise node in empty space, and connect it to the merge as a foreground. Go to the Color tab, and change the second color to yellow. Back to the Noise tab, bring down the Scale slider, increase the Contrast slider and the Seed Rate slider. Play around with the sliders to find out what works best for you. With the Merge node selected, right-click to the Blend slider, and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the curve to easing, set the in and out to sine, and check the mirror box. You can also try a different easing mode, like the elastic or the bounce. If you are not a broke scumbag and you can afford the studio version, you can add a film grain node after, adjust the sliders, go to the Settings tab, and select to connect the Blend slider to the merge value. For those who are in the free version, you can cry all you want. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you broke my heart.